start it off now. Gotta start up here on. Let's start it. Let's start it down here so that way we can roll it up the hill. Watch. Just like this. Watch.
Joseph, are you gonna help Daddy start a snowman?
Like roll it like this. See how I'm doing this, dude? See? And then you just roll it. Then you just roll it. Don't quit! Snowman, if you want me to go on, that's all I'm down.
I'm gonna dig.
Huh? Yeah. I'll show you, dude.
Daddy, I need help with my
Most of
glasses.
it's sticking, but some ain't.
What, Tommy?
Snowball fight.
Or is it Shadow?
No more snowball fight. We're rolling this, dude. Trying to make it. It's gonna be big.
Shadow, what are you doing out here?
What
What are you doing out here?
Hey, I'm here with you inside snowball. Oh, I have my glasses again.
Did they fall down your face?
Oh God, this is.
Did they fall off your face? Help him pick them up, Sean. Just pull them up over his ears. Joseph. I know. Can you roll it now, Joe? He's trying to pack a big snowball. Joseph, don't throw that at Sean. Why don't you use that as the body for your snowman?
Why do you have to carry that for? This.
Because I'm taking a video.
I love snow.
Because I'm taking a video that I can put on YouTube.
Mommy, my glasses.
First snow of the winter. First good snow of the winter.
Yeah.
The snow we had earlier this week didn't really count. It was only like, what, a couple inches?
It was 6 inches today.
No, what?
It was 11 when I came out here and measured it. At 9 o'clock this morning, it was 11 inches on the ground.
Was it?
Yeah, and then I came out and measured it again, and it was 7 inches. So some's melted or evaporated off because it was so full sun today. Look at this big snowball Daddy's rolled up, Joseph. Look at this big snowball Daddy's rolled up for your snowman. We're going to make a snowman, Sean.
Do you have any carrots? Look, I have charcoal.
No, but we could
You got charcoal? We could use rocks
Yeah, we can use rocks.
for eyes. We got rocks.
We'll put it right here.
I'm going to move more this way.
I'm about to throw a snowball at your butt.
Hi, Courtney.
Haha, she didn't want to know.
I got her on camera.
Got
She
you on
didn't even know it.
camera.
What, Joseph?
What's wrong, Joe?
I don't need help.
Daddy, will you help him with his glasses?
Yes, hold on.
Or I guess he needs help rolling the snowball.
I'll help him.
Help him, Sean.
Oh no!
He's not going to crush it, Joseph. He's trying to help you roll it.
Sucked it.
It's not packing very well for him because his gloves are way too big. He's got my gloves on.
That's why this looks so good.
Did they ever get your furnace fixed, Sean? Or your boiler fixed?
That guy is fixing my boiler.
He's fixing your boiler? So you got some heat in there?
Size, isn't it, for a little?
That's a perfect snowball.
Look at this big snowball. Strong too. I can just hit. That's a nice rain.
Look at Joseph carrying that huge. Hey, are you going to go put that on Daddy's snowman?
No.
Why not make my own? Mine'd be better anyways.
Buddy, you need to fix your glasses before they fall off your chain. Here, let me help you. Here, will you come here a little bit so I don't have to walk in the snow with my knit boots on?
Snowman here.
Here, let me just take your... Can I just take your glasses?
Uh-huh.
Thank you.
Mommy, look how many snowman.
You're starting to make one. Don't crush it.
I put little No, Shane's probably not going to be an eye.
Quit, I'm gonna hit you.
We got to collect these leaves so they get out. See? I feel this. I'm going to make something. I'm going to bring it in there. I can throw really far away, Joseph.
You can throw really far?
Yeah, I'll show you right now.
Yeah, his glasses are coated in snow. Snow. Don't crush your snowman.
Hey, put this on video. And go on top of his head. See?
It's pointed right at you.
It could be his mate.
Oh, wow. That went really far down the yard. Here, hold on. Let me loop Joseph's glasses around my neck so we don't lose his glasses here.
There's a dog over there.
There's a dog over there.
There's a dog.
Okay, go. Now, Sean. I got the camera right on you, buddy. That was a far throw.
All right, there's the part. There's the start of it.
There's the base of Mr. Snowman.
Oh, I already found those. But my sister.
That's the
My
start.
feet are getting cold.
Now I gotta make another ball.
Hey, look, I found
Then make another ball. Yeah.
But that's no mean. Hey, Brian. That is one way. Don't do something too fast. Hey!
You shouldn't have done that.
Go with
That was a huge pile of snow. Don't tear up his snowman now. He's working on Sean. Please. He'll get mad at you.
Snowman.
You can build one with him. That looks like a little head right there.
Look off the ear. Look how my snowman.
Looking good so far, buddy.
And I come in the sun.
Gonna have to change my socks and shoes again.
Let's make a snowball.
Sean, your jeans have holes in them. Aren't your knees cold, buddy?
No, I'm wearing jeans.
I know. I see the holes in your knees.
There's some kids out here.
Crazy boy.
I thought you had snow pants on earlier.
I made hey! What did you do?
Don't crush down on it. You'll smash it.
This is my next snowman.
That's your next snowman. You're gonna have a snow family there, huh? Snowman family?
Looks like you're gonna have a snow pie family.
A snow pile. I know. I know. It kind of looks like just a big snow pile. That's all right. He was talking about building an igloo, like Curious George did.
How does he do that?
But we'd have to have ice. Huh.
Mommy,
Instead of snow.
my shirt is covered up. I'm putting. That's good. The shade's covering up. You know why? There's snow.
Your feet are stuck? Well, stand up.
See, da-da-da-da. I made a feet hole. And I'm going to put it there. I'm going to put a nice wolf in there. See, I blocked it. I blocked it. You get some. No, just wibble. What does your name even look like? A scribble? It always would out wibble.
We all need some snow boots, I think.
There's another snowman.
Need some rubber boots.
Every time Joseph finds his like papers when he writes his name, what does it look like? Does it actually say his name?
He can spell the first part of it.
Then what does the rest say?
It's kind of like a scribble. Except the H. He can do the H at the end. Sometimes he doesn't do the P. It just depends. We're trying to get better at that. That's what we were going to do, was homework earlier.
That's his homework.
We're supposed to go in and do homework.
That's his.
Here in a little bit. Practice writing his name and
That's all he has to do.
deal with the letters. And he's got a whole folder full of homework he has to do. Still. Poor thing.
Because he don't do it. Stairs! I thought he was about to destroy it. Lucky I don't get homework. It's my spelling words are.
Mm.
The biggest
Well, she sends home spelling words too, but I don't know if she gives them a spelling test in kindergarten. I hope not.
She does.
She does?
He never passes. Probably. Because name.
Shoot. I didn't know how to spell anything in kindergarten.
No,
Are you kidding me?
He just tell you the word to say whatever that word's on the
The paper.
Yeah. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there's bonus 1, number 1 and bonus ride number 2.
Here comes somebody on a snowplow. On their four-wheeler with a snowplow.
Look, Daddy.
Looking for driveways to shovel, it looks like.
Like
Going to his family's house, who knows?
I think that's Mr. Peanut.
That wasn't Peanut.
Rolling up the hill.
I know who Peanut
I'm
is.
going up this big giant hill.
Peanut's with Aunt Kathy.
How do you know that?
Because I just took Aunt Kathy to her house and Peanut was there.
Peanut wasn't there?
Yeah, he was.
Oh.
Maybe this got there. Maybe it got you bought.
You ever made ice cream out of snow?
How do you do that? You can make
I think you take some ice cream and then you put sugar and a little bit of milk on it, I think. And it turns into like kind of like ice cream. Yeah.
You dip it and it'll turn. Daddy, the dog made of ice cream.
You just gotta keep it outside.
I ain't making it huge.
Ice cream.
Looking good so far, baby.
Fucking snow. A fucking snow.
You want a smiley face or the carrot or just 2 eyes in the carrot?
We don't have any carrots.
I can make it smile.
No party. No.
What are you doing now?
You get some snowball. No. Yeah. Oh yeah. It's a perfect snowball.
Neighborhood kids. That's a big snowball, Aubrey. Aubrey, what's her name? I think that's Aubrey, right? I can't remember the dark-haired girl's name. Aubrey's the redhead, I think. My bad.
Hello, Dad.
Look at all the snow on the roof. Good thing we just got the roof redone. Too bad we didn't get our antenna tower put up yet. Dang it. Whew, my hands are freezing. What's her name? What's her name again? Sean, what's her name again? Sean, what's that girl's name again? The dark haired. Her sister's Aubrey. Oh, that's Mackenzie. Okay. Sorry, I called her the wrong name earlier.
Maybe a couple of darker rocks for the eyes.
You don't have to have those rocks.
Huh?
I don't mind getting them.
Yeah, darker rocks better. You can see them much, but you can see them a lot better.
I have two.
Huh? Dark rock? Yeah.
We're gonna make snowman. No, I make my own one. Can I help? Okay, you can help. Oh, look at Sean! Ah! I bet Sean found some rocks.
Here, on, Sean, let me help you. I want you to ruin it. Here, I'll show you how to do it, dude.
Joseph, you're silly.
Hey, just what do you want to do, Huffley? What do you want to do, Huffley? Snowball?
No, I'm gonna use the shovel for a minute.
What?
Yeah, you can use a shovel. She can use a shovel.
Oh no, my glove!
You have to put it back on, bud. Try to put it back on. I know it's a little big. You get your hand all the way in it?
I got it with no fingers.
You better get it with the fingers on there, right?
Hey, don't mess all with my plans. I'm digging some. I want to make myself a family.
He's making a snowman family.
See, Daddy, my snowman. Hey, you beat me. Get some more.
Yeah.
I don't.
There's that other cat
Daddy's.
Huh?
with that cat, the black cat and the white cat. Black.
Black and white. She's just black.
Where is she?
Shadow, she went under the car.
Yeah, two cats.
And Tommy. He's orange and white.
Where is he?
I don't know. He was in the garage earlier.
Yeah.
He was out here playing with them earlier and he went inside. He might be sleeping in the
he
basement.
comes to our house sometimes.
He comes to your house sometimes. You need to zip your coat up so you don't get sick. Joseph's rolling around, having a blasty blast.
Snowball like this, and then what you do, you actually come down here where the sun at, would probably be better. Come down here and look, you can probably roll it.
There was no school today, right, Sean? I wonder how'd you know they canceled it? Did they call your mom and dad?
My dad told me.
Oh, okay. Because I looked on the news and it didn't say anywhere. I mean, I figured it was canceled when I called the school and they didn't answer.
Catch that one, D.
And I thought, man, if I got to take him to school.